Hey guys, this is shawnshawn. I had a tip of the day. For one, if I mentioned before in my other videos, you can get your boxes from, let's see if I can point right, Uline. But another thing what you can do is you can just buy straight cardboard like this. And what you can do is just go to your, call around. There'll be warehouses that actually produce cardboard locally. If you're in any kind of big city, you don't even have to be that big. I mean, they had it in a small city as Dayton, so they're going to have any major city, San Francisco, LA, Miami, wherever city you're going to call around, and you can get a cardboard quote, and they'll just give you a ship of raw cardboard like this. And if you have a long ruler, so you want to have a really long ruler, and you can kind of straight edge measure your package after it's packed with bubble wrap, measure the outside, and then cut with box cutters, and you can make your own boxes. And that'll give you the most tightest fit to the painting and save you on the shipping cost. So you can make it really tight on the width, on the length, on the height, and you can double box if you need to, but you can get the cheapest cost on your boxes that way. It's a lot cheaper than Uline. Uline has a really good price on the cardboard, but when they ship, it's almost double the cost. So it's like all that savings just goes to waste because they send it by freight and it comes as a huge truck from a really large city like LA or something. But in LA or something, you can pick up those boxes straight at the Uline warehouse. But if you're in some other city that's not a large city where Uline actually has a warehouse, call around and you'll find a cardboard maker, and they'll just ship, whatever quantity you want. And they make custom boxes. You go there, you could actually get any box size you want, like if you make standard sizes in your paintings. So that's another idea you can go on. I just like to use the raw cardboard because I can literally make any painting any size I want. I do have standard sizes, but that allows me the freedom to not have to buy 30 boxes of one size, and then all of a sudden I start selling a different size, and I got 30 boxes already pre-made in this one size I can only use. So if you make your own boxes like this way, you can just minimize your cardboard cost, and as well as you, once you scale up in your production, you can actually hire someone to actually cut cardboard boxes for you and do all the shipping. And that's my tip of the day.